Uni wasota na turanga ni minista. E sini mira ora usi una ni mami mara ule una ni mira di kemuni ana ka bina ni ko. Kena be kale lai ki mami mara utak. Ke ba kai lai. Ke mem sama suta na kalombulo ko tsioba. Tsioba sama na wana. Na kalau sa tiko. E tiko ba ke kemuni ana muni biluta. Mara ro kemuni. Mara ro ana muni ku vale. Mara ro kemuni na rukun tamara. Dia muna bingarabi, sang ni rita kena din tabat. Dapat benda kata tu ada di jauh. Balang-balang saya cukup nak pasik kam naga. Main nama Manoa kina Manoa. Main nama lotu kina lotu. Kena muri ya tu ya ani.
Tapi lo manis lagi.
Mana?
Da vita orlinga na dadak. Me nganga sakit kina na Manoa viti. Kira na kena kota mata. Tapi lo manis lagi ko na lo mana kalau. Do buat satu mana anak yang tiba. Umana. Ina. Good night, everybody. Firstly, thank you for the traditional welcome and the warm welcome accorded to me. And like I've said on the various occasions that I've been welcomed, it's really, you're really welcoming the Prime Minister and the Cabinet, and I'm just here as a representative of the government. So it's not much directed at me, as it's more directed at the Prime Minister and everybody that's here to serve in this new government. And so for that, I'm truly grateful and honored. And thank you for deciding to do this. You will soon enough discover I am a commoner. So these sort of occasions I have a deeper meaning when they're done, because it's not really something that you get to see every day as in normal life. Just thought I'd share a few things in terms of what I hope to do. You've probably seen me talk about the potential that we have in this country. I used to think when I was still outside that there are big opportunities for Fiji. Being around in the last 3 weeks, if anything, it's made me more confident that there are great opportunities in our country. And so our task as the government of the day is to ensure that these opportunities are realized and that life continues to get better for all our people and for the rest of Fiji. Behind that is the Ministry of Communications. And it's no secret that communications is the key to unlocking an economy's potential. And you've seen over the years, for those of you who have lived as long as me, probably not that many actually, that technology and communications has transformed Fiji. Fiji in the 70s was marbles and tops and for us kids. Fiji in the 21st century is laptops, iPads, applications. It's a different world. And through technology, we have managed to grow as a country. We have managed to advance as a country. And so you play a critical role in both the setting and facilitating of policy, executing on the policy, and also ensuring that in doing all of that, we continue to allow business to flourish and things to grow. I'm glad that there is a project in place on the ease of doing business. You will find that I'm quite big on the ease of doing business, only because I think therein lies probably 1/3 of the opportunity that Fiji is not realizing at the moment. So anything that you do that doesn't make sense, tell me, we'll get rid of it. We don't fill forms just for the sake of filling forms. We need to have reason when we're doing everything. IT is a big enabler and facilitator in that regard. A lot of you are actually actively participating in that. And I encourage you to keep going at it. Talk to me if you need any clarification. I never tell many people, but I'm actually a graduate in IT as well from university. So and I ran a few IT departments when I was working, Fiji Airways. And I was joking at Fiji Airways last Friday. When I went there, you won't believe it, there was only one lap PC in the whole finance department. This was 1996. And Fiji Airways today is nothing like then. And so I encourage all of you, particularly those of you who are in the project of making business easier, to put your heart and soul into it. And let's try and really make business genuinely easy for people. Once we do that, we will unlock a lot of the potential that we have. ITC, that too, you will find that I'll be getting actively focusing on ITC. I think that we can do a lot better in managing the systems of the country. And I was telling PS, it's just me maybe, but I think there needs to be more sort of monitoring and control from us, particularly ITC, because in that way we can build a very robust network, and we plug any vulnerabilities as we that may come along. I've had a chance to engage with the large players in our communications industry. Spent some time in Digicel last week, as well as Vodafone on Monday. Telecom, I think, was on Friday. And again, what we do with them, what we need to do with them is just create an enabling environment for them to continue to do what they do best, and again grow the economy. We have a major investor now in Digicel, Telstra. For those of you who know who Telstra is, it's a major company out of Australia, and they haven't even started investing in Fiji. So these are the kind of opportunities that are around, and it's just a matter of working together and trying to achieve our potential. I'm glad in a way that I've taken the role of trade as well as communications, only because there's a very clear link between the two in terms of trying to generate business. You will find that more and more you'll be interacting with people on the business side as we try and make sure that we create the right platforms and the right environment for business to grow and the economy to start growing. I've been using a word a lot in some of my speeches. I've been saying that we need to turbocharge the economy in Fiji. 2-3% is not good enough. So any ideas you have, and like being young people, I know you have a lot of ideas. Don't feel afraid to make them known. Particularly if it's gotta just unlock some of the major bottlenecks that you find around. Hopefully as well, you'll start seeing a lot more changes. I got a shock when first time I got in the lift, some staff stayed back and waited. I think it was a tradition, I don't know if it's true or not, but for the minister to get in the lift on its own, that's done. That's we're all human beings. So if you see me in the lift, don't run away. You will find, if you see most of the government vehicles now, we've taken off the tins. That's no longer going to be in place. We've taken out the alarms from all the vehicles. If you want to be on time to your meeting, you better just plan better. There is absolutely no need to have the sirens blasting as a minister through town. The only person that you'll see with sirens is the Prime Minister and the President. All the ministers, no sirens. So these are some of the things that we're trying to sort of put out there, just to show that hopefully you can notice a bit of difference in the way things are being done. And it just talks to what we are serious. We want to make sure this country continues to grow and grows faster. And then, we can solve other issues like poverty and other issues that we know of in our country that need a lot of attention and focus. So again, thank you for the welcome. I'm honored and really appreciate you doing this. You didn't have to do it. I actually thought I was just coming in for a coffee. Tupo did a good job of keeping it quiet. And so, thank you for this gesture, and it's appreciated. Look forward to working with all of you and making sure that we do great things for Fiji. You guys are, your contracts are now, most of these guys are probably not on contract anymore. My contract is 4 years with the people of Fiji. So I'll probably be on a faster pace than most of you. But at the end of the day, I think if we can do some good things together, make sure people of Fiji see the difference, and actually you feel that you're contributing to the country, then I think we've done okay. So with those few words, again, Vinakavale to everybody. It's a pleasure and honor to be here. I probably won't remember all your names, but in due time, I'm sure I'll get to meet all of you again and talk to you. But like I said, if there's any ideas you have that will make your department better, your country better, or whatever better, it doesn't necessarily be in whatever you're doing. You probably, as IT people, you look over and you see other things done in other departments, and makes you cringe. Let me know, and we'll try and prioritize that in, because we need to make sure we do make some changes in the next 4 years. So thank you very much to Bo and to everyone, and it's an honor and a pleasure to be here today. Nagwalev.